Hello guys, today I am going to show you top 5 engineering colleges in Tirupati. I will list out one by one. First one is SREE VENKATESWARA University. Second, SREE VIDYANIKETHAN Engineering College. Third, Indian Institute of Technology Tirupati. Fourth, SREE VENKATESWARA College of Engineering. Fifth, ANNAMACHARYA Institute of Technology and Science. In this video, I would like to show you overview of colleges, establishment, accreditations, courses, eligibility, placements and location. Coming to first institution, SREE VENKATESWARA University. It is established in 1954. Accreditations by NAAC and UGC. Coming to courses, this college offers some courses like BTech and MTech. Coming to eligibility, 10 plus 2 with 45% plus AP MSET. Coming to placements, this college provides placements for students in top MNCs like Wipro, TCS, HCL, Cognizant, Bell, Mphasis. Coming to location, registered SREE VENKATESWARA University, Andhra Pradesh 517502. Next institution is SREE VIDYANIKETHAN Engineering College. It is established in 1996. Accreditations by AITS, NAAC and NBA. Coming to eligibility, 10 plus 2 with 45% plus AP MSET. This college offers some courses like BTech and MTech. Coming to placements, this college provides placements for students in Wipro, TCS, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, Infosys and GGK Technologies. Coming to location, Sri Sainath Nagar, Andhra Pradesh 517102. Next institution is IIT Tirupati. It is established in 2015. Accreditations by AICTE, UGC and NAAC. This institution offers some courses BTech and MTech. Coming to eligibility, 10 plus 2 with 75% plus JEE Advanced. Coming to placements, this institution provides placements for students in top MNCs like Flipkart, Amazon, Goldman, Sachs, EXL, Intel, OYO, JP Morgan, Genpact, etc. Coming to location, Venkatagiri Road, Erpedu Post, Andhra Pradesh 517619. Coming to next institution, SREE VENKATESWARA College of Engineering. It is established in 2007. Accreditations by NAAC, AICTE. Coming to eligibility, 10 plus 2 with 45% plus AP MSET. This institution offers some courses BTech and MTech. Coming to placements, this institution provides placements for students in TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Cognizant, Red Packard, etc. Coming to location, Karkambadi Road, Mangalam, Andhra Pradesh 517502. Coming to next institution, ANNAMACHARYA Institute of Technology and Science. It is established in 2007. Accreditations by NAAC, AICTE, UGC and NBA. This institution offers some courses BTech and MTech. Coming to placements, this institution provides placements for students in TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant. Coming to location, Venkatapuram, Renigunta, Andhra Pradesh 517520. These are the top 5 engineering colleges in Tirupati. If you want more information, please visit our website graduatesengine.com. If you like this video, subscribe our channel Graduates Engine.